Okay guys, today I'm filming a YouTube video because this girl thinks that I can't do a push-up. I can do a push-up, but the thing is I am too tired. So we're low-key, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, okay. Wait. Okay.
Ito yung brown. Yan pare. Ang the perfect one. Ay, puta, may laman sa loob. Piling ko munggo to.
Oh my gosh. Wait, by the way, this is day 2 trying to increase my strength. Okay, day 2 guys. By the way guys, shout out guys to Star over there. Her name is Hannah 57674 guys. Wait, I'm gonna put it. Hannah 57674. Yeah. And then, oh, she said hi. She said hi, y'all. Say hi back. Okay, now I'm just gonna continue doing my push-up. Okay. I swear, Star.
Ito ay parang dried lang talaga.
Look, it's so bright. Ow! Right.
Oh, George, very na pizza, di ba? Dati masarap kahit yung core, yung paborito mo, yung gitna, ang sarap.
I'm gonna close the
Sarap, di ba?
again.
Sarap lang. Pero dati siya, pinya, di ba? Next! Kahit sino sa atin hindi malalaman kung ano to. Kasi walang informasyon na nakasulat. Mukha nga siyang Africa.
Wait, Star, no, you're
Pero
wrong.
bakit
My
siya
body
pamasi?
doesn't need to touch the ground. It needs to like almost touch the ground, but I can't do it because I just
Apricot
ate.
siya. No, siya for apricot.
Wait,
Tsaka mina. Mahilig ako sa mga dried fruits. Pero
I
hindi
can't do it
ko
anymore. I'm so tired.
karaniwan dyan, eh,
Oh my gosh.
sa sugar. Diba?
I gotta
Sarap
next.
yan, di ba? Next! Sausage na hindi nakarep. So,
Me too,
kung
trying
kanina,
to
yung paano
increase my
manok,
strength.
naindang gansa, at
Increase my
balon-balon,
strength. Increase my
isda,
strength.
at saka
Increase my strength.
crab, eh, hindi kailangan
No, Star, stop looking at me like that. You're so creepy. Look, guys, she's so creepy.
Malalaman natin.
Mwah. Akong joke. Oh my gosh, what was that sound? I just heard a fa. Okay.
Good. Ba natin? Try muna natin.
Oh my gosh, I'm tired, guys. Okay, so Star. Okay, to pay me back, you're gonna have to fling a Game Pass person, right? I'm gonna post this video now, guys. Bye, I'm so tired.